Hi, I'm Mark from All-in-One Property Maintenance and Cleaning. We've been using Elite for about 4 years now for our bond cleaning side of our business. So we bring Elite in to do our carpet cleaning, look after all our upholstery cleaning and down that side of our business. I've used other carpet cleaners, but I find Elite to be good at getting stains out and one of the most efficient companies that I've dealt with. I'm working for a third party most of the time, so my clients are very happy with the product and once the job's been done. We use Elite because of the quality of their work. They can get the stains out of the carpets, they're on time, they're always helpful with keys and things, being that we deal with a lot of real estate companies, and our clients are always happy with their work as well because the quality is top notch. We always recommend Elite because of the quality of their work. We do recommend them to the clients that we deal with through real estate, and I have some other private clients with child safety houses that we recommend them to as well because of the quality of their work and on time and get in and get the job done. And that's why I choose Elite.